Welcome to this part 11 in our continuing series of brief video clips on downloading, installing, optimizing, configuring, and using Linux Air Combat version 9.45 from the 4th of October 2023. We've covered a lot of grounds and we've got everything pretty much working, but now we want to get the Linux menu launcher to be even easier to access by putting it in the Linux menu system. We can now run it from anywhere in a bash shell very easily, but let's fire up our Linux menu editor by right-clicking on the launcher, on the application launcher, and edit applications. This brings up whatever kind of menu editor we've got. Let me get rid of this thing. It's kind of in the way. So now with this menu editor, there are a lot of different styles of these menu editors, but they're all fairly similar to this. You may remember from last time we did this, I went into Games and created this entry for Lac. Now I'm going to stay in Games and I'm going to create another entry, and I'm going to name this one LacMenuLauncher. And following the same pattern, I'm also going to choose that same icon. So clicking here, I'm going to browse to the downloads area where we put the icon before in AppImages, and let's use that little icon right there because it's the same airplane. It's a very similar situation we're in here. And for description, Lac text alternative menus. Don't really need a comment. The command is going to be simply LacMenuLauncher. And one more trick, I need to go to the Advanced tab here and tell it to run in the terminal. I'll save that. Now that I've done that, I think we're done with the KDE menu editor. We should have a new menu item. I'll go click here, Games, LacMenuLauncher. Let's see what happens. If I did everything right, when I left click on this, it'll fire that menu launcher up. Click, and there it is. Make this little text a little bigger. Now you can see how easy it is to run Lac from a text menu, from this kind of a text menu manager, launching it from your Linux menu system, and you can do all the same things you could do with Lac's built-in menus, but with these menus you won't have the same kind of technology conflicts, the compatibility issues. So if you're fighting those compatibility issues with a version of Lac that used to work before you updated your Linux recently, here's a solution for you. Thank you very much. I know we went into all kinds of things. You can use these setup options to make Lac run in a bigger window and optimize your range and your video quality. All those things work pretty much the same as they're documented elsewhere in our online instructions. We've covered everything that's new here. Thank you very, very much. Back to our desktop, and we're done.